Have you flexed a biceps muscle in the mirror lately? Well, there are more important reasons to hold on to your muscle as you age that extend beyond looking good in a t-shirt and avoiding bat wings. The scientific term for age-related skeletal muscle and strength loss is sarcopenia, and it usually begins in one's 40s. With this in mind, what are some eating habits you can adopt to regain muscle as you age? Before we get into helpful diet habits, let's take a deeper look at sarcopenia. This condition can be prevented and even reversed in the elderly, as well as in middle-aged people who are just starting to notice a loss of muscle mass. To effectively rebuild muscle, try incorporating the following eating habits into your routine in conjunction with a quality strength training routine. 1. Vitamins. When it comes to building and regaining muscle as you age, it's important to make sure you're eating foods that provide you with adequate amounts of vitamins. And if you're unable to get these vitamins through your daily meals, you may want to talk with your doctor about supplementation. Vitamins D and omega-3 fatty acids are helpful in fighting sarcopenia when coupled with resistance training. 2. Protein at every meal. Most people eat the bulk of their protein at dinner, but research suggests that it's easier to build muscle tissue when protein intake is spread out throughout the day. Ward recommends shooting for between 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight every day. So, for a person who weighs 160 pounds, this would amount to approximately 88 to 117 grams of protein. 3. Prepare your body for growth. When it comes to eating habits to regain muscle, nutrient timing plays an important role in optimizing your efforts. You should always eat a pre-workout snack or meal about 1 hour before you start resistance training. You should go more protein heavy to replenish the muscles that are in the healing phase. 4. Choose complete proteins. This means they contain all of the amino acids that the body needs to build muscle. Lean animal foods, such as eggs, lean beef, poultry, and seafood, as well as low-fat dairy foods such as cottage cheese, milk, and Greek yogurt, are excellent sources of complete protein. In addition, animal foods are rich in the amino acid leucine, which triggers muscle cell production.